Join. So this is my mini system. So the program starts from here. So this calls the choices function, which is the main menu for the look of the mini assistant, where you can choose simple calculator, grade sharp, or age calculator. Then that's it. So I use the match method, this one. So if I choose one, it will choose the calculator. So this is my calculator. This is the function calculator. So here's my formula for the calculator. If you input, so first, this is where it store the first number. Then this is the operator, and then this is the second number. So if you choose plus, it will add the number 1 and the number 2. Then if minus, it will minus. It will distract this one. Then next is the multiplication. Then this is the division. And then this, if you have an invalid operation, that's right. Then this will print the result. Then next is the grade checker. It's 2. So grade checker. So this is the grade checker function. Here I also use the match method. So if if S is equals to 100, then the score is 0, and so on. So here this will print the score. And then the third one, the phase 3 is the age calculator. So this is my formula for the age calculator. So this will store the year, and then to get the age, this is the formula. So result is equals to the current year 2025 minus the year you input. So this will show the result here. And then this will call the menu. So I will run it. So if I choose one, so this is the menu. If I choose one, this is a simple calculator, so I will add. So this is the result. I'm using float. That's why it has this decimal. And then next, the feature 2, the checker. If we type this grade checker, if I type 88, we'll get C. So this one. Then I if my grade is below 75, like it's enough. The next is the age calculator. So if your birth year is 2004, the age is 19. So the last one is the exit. So if I press 4, it will stop the loop. So That's all. Thank you.